Flying the lead aircraft requires experience, smooth flying, and high situational awareness. Our boss, Major Brent Handy of Wybale, Ontario, is a former CF-18 fighter pilot and flew as number 9 in 2012 and 2013. He brings over 6,000 hours of high-performance flying experience to the team. 2024 marks 30 years for the boss as a licensed pilot, and he credits much of his success to the start he received as an Air Cadet glider pilot. And now look straight ahead as the team returns for the Canada Burst.